neighbors to the side. Use your indoor voice so soft. Help each other, lift them up. Listen, share, be kind too. Classroom rules for me and you. Hands up high when you wanna speak. We work together every week. Listen, share, be kind too. That's what awesome kids all do. Take your turn, try your best. Keep our classroom at its best. Respect your friends in every way. That's how we learn each day. Listen, share, be kind too. Classroom stars, that's me and you. With helpful hearts and smiles so bright, we make our classroom shine just right.